So we've paid 27,000 each because we've got a discount because we bought two laptops in cash. So we've got a discount of 1,000 pesos each. Nasa little 1,000. What will you do with your 1,000 pesos? For your allowance? Kaon. Naman tayo pang kaon.
Kaon mo ano sa kalibo.
10,000.
Free. So cute. Thank you for your support. Thank you, sir. So, Kuya said that they already need to install the Microsoft. So, they also gave us free mouse. So, 2 mouses. And we also have the free laptop bags. And then, the installing of Microsoft Kuya is free ra kuya, no?
No license na siya.
Oh, license. Libre na siya. Nana na siya ikuha niya. Anong PowerPoint. Ano na?
Create Word PowerPoint Excel.
So, for example, yun ka na, di ba, mag-install naman ka sa Microsoft. Then, may bayad ya if gamito namang Microsoft? Wala lang? Free na? So, wala
Itong
nang
bigyan na
bayad.
siya Microsoft. 6,800.
6,800
Di-free na nito pag-apil na siya.
sa kaning model. So, this model, which is the 28,000, so they already have a free Microsoft. So, Kuya is now installing the Microsoft, and we also have freebies, the mouse and the laptop bag. And they also gave us freebies for the support. Thank you for your support. So, naano mo eh? Tag 1,000. Na? Allowance sa sad. Kaya nga naman, free naman ang installation sa Microsoft. Okay? Annyeonghaseyo. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So, they already have their laptops. So, each for Andrea and Jasmine. So, they have the laptop and they also have the freebies, the laptop bag and the mouse. So, that is from Chajihunim and Handolnim. 감사합니다. Fighting. Study well, ha? Sabi na kita na duwa sa Shopee. Ako de? Ikaw last touch. Ako de? Bye-bye. Bye, man. Annyeonghaseyo. So, we are now here at the Jollibee. We've done buying the laptop and we will have our lunch together. So, the lunch for today is sponsored by Handolmi. Annyeonghaseyo. 감사합니다. 잘 먹겠습니다. 감사합니다. 식사하세요. Ay, nagkuha man din mo nun, ano? Duha ko ano. So, Ate Jasmine na lang kay iyang spaghetti. Ang sound ni da, handle ni... This is our favorite brand of Nike. A little bit. Not too much, but a little. There are a lot of buy one take one here at Watsons, so they decided to buy the remaining money with lotion, shampoo, and also conditioner. So Andrea and Jasmine. So they're having their points already from the Watsons for the rewards. So we are now riding a tricycle. It's because Andrea and Jasmine gets easy when we are riding a taxi or a most car. So we're just having our tricycle now today. Nagpakyaw rin So this is the pay for the tricycle. Okay. Thank you, Kuya. Annyeonghaseyo. Okay, so we are now at home. So we've already have here the things that we bought. So we have the takeouts Jollibee. That is a total of 1,943. Sa katong tag 1,000 ninyo each. So, total is 1,943. So, silbi tag 1,000 mamo. So, you have 2,000 for the budget. And maunay na spend 1,943. So, you have a change of 57. Here. 57. So, kamo na lang ito nga na ha. Okay? And also, we have here for the nilupad. So we have here for the laptop. So a total of 54,000 pesos. So each is it costs 27,000. So you have the 2,000, right? Katong 1 for the installment and 1,000 for the discount. So kamo man ibayad sa laptop. So you have the money which is tag 2,000 mo duha. Kaya so here is the receipt and keep the receipt high. It's because it has 2 years warranty if ever gali na defect sa internal. Okay? And for our lunch, so for our lunch and for the milk tea, here the receipt. So we spent 1,257 in total. And for your Watsons, which is the lotion, the shampoo, and the conditioner, we spent 1,356. So, a total of 2,613. Okay? Including na sa transportation, ganina nga 200 pesos. And for the transportation going back home, so you have 300 nga sa tricycle. So, a change of 87. So, 50, 70, 80, 87. Okay? So, here is the list. Okay. Okay na? So, that is all from Chajihunim and Handulnim.
Chajunim and Halunim, annyeonghaseyo, 감사합니다.
Kamsahamnida. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So, you take a video ha of inig. Open ninyo sa inyong laptop ba when you have something to download or install. Okay? Okay, bye-bye. Our dinner for tonight is sponsored by Handulnim.
한돌님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Manimogos, 식사하세요. 잘 먹겠습니다. 감사합니다. So we are now here at the Grand Mall. I am together with Ate Bea. Annyeonghaseyo, Ate Bea. So we will now buy her cell phone. Excited na ka. Is this your first time sa Grand Mall lang ka? First time yung nakanhi? Pero nakadto na ka guys, ano? Ay, wala po ka nakadto? Ay, nakadto. Hindi kayo ka sa Grand Mall, wala. So excited na nga po yung cellphone. Let's go to the second floor. Sige lang ka, unboxing na lang. That is your new phone. Congratulations, Ate Bea. Ano na kay cellphone? Gusto na katagan na? Okay, so that is from Kim Young Suni. So, mupalit patagkuan na nilang ha. Kanang casing, nya tempered glass no. Mao na ni siya ma'am, ang tempered glass. Nagkahan pa niya lang ga. So, this is Galaxy A05 and 128 gig. Seven, no? Kuha na, 1,000. Napay 1,000 na. Ganiti sa na ha. Kaya mo ba ita nag-casing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Isulod na sa imo nga ang bag lang. Dara niya mo. So, they have free charger. Okay na ka. Nahanap ka? Sure? Okay, so that is your new phone kasi nagataga na. Okay, so never forget that it is Kim Young Sanim who bought you that phone. And always remember, Ate Bea, that dili pwede nga mugamit si mama, papa o imong mga kuya na ha. Do not allow your parents or your brothers to use your cell phone. It is only you who is allowed to use your cell phone. Okay? Okay? If we will know nga gigamit na sa imong mama, sa imong papa, or sa imong mga igsuon, we will get back the cell phone. Okay? And also, dili pwede ma-addict. Ha? No to cell phone addiction. Okay? So, gihatag na nga cell phone for you, it is because nga naman. Ang salangga?
Ngayon, kinanghalan kay magamit daw sa
Kung na'y magkinahanglan, kung na'y magkinahanglan, magamit ang cellphone. Okay, so if need na nimo sa school, kung namoy mga assignments, or naka-i-search sa Google, pwede ra ka magamit cellphone. Okay? So, maura na siya ang purpose sa cellphone. Dili pwede nga ma-addict sa games. Dugay kay matug, kay magsigig tanaw og YouTube. Dili ha, okay? So, gamitan na siya in a good way, ha? Sige, here, Bea. So, it costs 6,728 including the tempered glass and also for the SIM card. So, we also have here the casing. So, 350. So, ang kulang na lang analangga is for the load. Ha? So, we will go downstairs and we will look for a store that is selling a load. Ha? Kaya magpa-load ta. Pero kung wala, gali adto na lang sa ato. Okay? Okay, so, kinsa na taga na? So, thank you, Kim Yong Sanim. Kamsahamnida. Bye-bye. Yasi, Ate Bea. So, asa doon mong new phone? Okay, so, you already have your new phone. So, this is the receipt. This is for your tempered glass in the hat, 350. Yun ang magtanga. And for your cell phone and SIM card, together with the tempered glass, so 6,728. So, we also have the transportation fee, okay? From the jeepney to the tricycle. So, it costs 56 back and forth. So, times 2 will be 112. Okay? So, you have a change of 800. Ito lang ga, 800. Kailangan niya 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? 810. Okay ka? Okay, so that is from Kim Yong Sanim.
Kim Yong Sanim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
So, ikaw na lang palud in day ha. Ingna si mama ni mo na after ni mo register sa SIM. Okay? And here is your box. So, isulod lang na imuhang isulod lang sa na imuhang money ha. Pero dili na mawala. Kasi mga wallet. Try money. Ay lang. Any wag tama kay na pa ni warranty na resibo. Ato na sa imong wallet, pwede mawala. And then my cell phone. And pera. And bye-bye. Kamsahamnida, Kim Yong Sanim.